Hello guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today we are going to talk about the project called ROI12, and of course we are going to do a scam check. If you have been subscribed to this channel for a long time, then you know how do we do a scam check. We look for has the contract been audited, has the team been KYC'd, can we check the contract ourselves, and so on. Okay, so first of all, what do they claim to be? They say you can get 168% profit in 12 days. And they say they do this by trading. First of all, guys, there is not even a white paper, okay? This is the first red flag. I mean, if you do some legitimate project, yeah, then you should at least have a white paper. It's very easy to make a white paper, okay? So let me show you guys. Basically, all of those projects work the same way. They say you get 40% daily for 12 days. So basically, guys, it doesn't matter if they are called blah blah blah, whatever the name of those projects are, and if they say 5% for 5 days or 20% for 20 days, whatever, these are all Ponzi schemes. Okay, if they work at all, they just work. For example, if you get in and you pay the rewards with the money that you deposit, you pay the rewards of the person who got in before you, yeah. And once new users stop coming in, guess what? There will be no rewards paid out. And first of all, guys, also, those platforms are not some charitable organizations, so they want to put the money in their pockets. They don't want to help you to make money, they want to put the money in their pockets. So since there's no business model behind this, one day, or let's say maybe in 5 hours or maybe in 3 days, they will just rug pull. That means they will take all the money that's in the contract and take it out and run away, and you have no idea who they are. So let me show you. Do they show their faces? No, the team has not been KYC'd. So this means you have no idea who they are, where they are, blah blah blah, nothing. Okay, no idea who is behind this. That's why they will just take the money and run. So second red flag, no KYC, no contract number, not even a contract number. So also the contract has not been audited. As you can see here, they put just some random number here, total investment. Usually, you know, if they would put the contract address there, then you could check it, for example, on BSC scan. You would see exactly all the transactions going in, going out, and all of this, how much is in the contract. But of course, this is just some fake scam project, guys. I mean, always do your own research before you invest your own money, but there are so many red flags. No KYC, no contract address, no white paper, no one's showing their faces. I mean, if there are someone would be out there making a good project, for example, let's say you would make a good project, would you hide your face? No, I guess you would put your face out there, would say, hey, that's my name, that's what I'm going to do, that's my project. Okay, those people are just hiding and they will just rug pull and take the money out, guys. Okay, so just red flags here again. So yeah, I would definitely not invest in anything like this, guys. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.